gosh, alien press jerky. I don't want to taste that.
Oh, it's there. Oh, alien.
Made in Mars.
You know, mother, I was expecting it.
No, at the back doon na. Cybertruck. At the back.
Oh, you get a picture nun.
At the back, go to the back. At the back.
Saan ka magpa-park no?
64
Diretso pa,
degrees.
doon pa, doon pa. Daming sasakyan, no?
Ayan, thermometer na.
Ano na?
Kala ko ba tallest?
I thought
Hindi ko nga
tourist
makita eh.
Nandito.
It's not very tall.
No.
Check out the
But that's what they say, tallest.
Well, yeah. I don't think there's a lot of people
I'm
building.
glad it's 1 hour
like
only.
it's
You have your seatbelt, boy. There's a...
Oh my goodness! I'm illegal. They're going to
Parang
take me
si
back to North
Pareho ni
Carolina.
Josh magsalita to.
They're gonna deport them back to Canada, mother.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, your visa.
Saan? Nakuha ni Josh. Ito yata nagturo eh.
step by step days.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, just at the
They
back.
think we're brown,
Boy,
mother.
at the back.
We're not that
Go to the back.
silent
I
brown.
Cybertruck.
understand what's behind us, Dad.
You get a picture na daw,
Oh my
sabi ni
goodness.
Daddy.
Mother, they're gonna try to deport us to
I can see
Mexico.
that like
Pareho nga magpinsan
both of
talaga.
these. I could see both of those online,
It's a
and I could
blood,
I could even imagine it
It's a
too.
blood. Kayo yata
What's
nagturo
the
niyan.
purpose
eh.
of creating the world's greatest freaking thermometer?
Josh is different, the accent. They're really
Iba,
Canadian.
kay,
Oh.
kesa kay Johanna.
Ano?
Iba
What?
sila
Am I supposed to
kaysa kay
sound like
Johanna.
Si Melissa din, ibang ano ni
No,
Melissa.
when I go to
Melissa
your,
Johanna
is more-
parang
Am I
Tagalog.
supposed to sound country, mother?
when I go to your
Melissa is more
place,
country, like a redneck.
who's that guy from your neighbor?
Oh, Shorty?
Shorty, I can understand.
I can until now.
Oh, this is a North Carolina. The way how they speak, oh my god.
Melissa, speak like that.
What the-
Isn't it? Your sisi?
Yeah.
There na nga, parking daw, ano?